Hey, it's Beckers, and I'm here, and I'm recording this voiceover for this video on my lunch break. Look at me go, look at that art, look at that. Okay, so this is done using acrylic paints. It is apple barrel outdoor gloss, indoor, which is very confusing, but that's what it says. Black paint that I am using right now. And I think I'm using watercolor paper. I'm fairly certain that is a very thick type of paper that is watercolor paper. I got all this junk at Walmart. I guess I shouldn't call art supplies junk. When you have so many art supplies, they feel like junk. I guess they kind of become junk. Anyway, so the glow paint, this is super cool stuff, and it's hard to get a good shot of it, but this is actually glow-in-the-dark paint. So that bright green I am painting right now will glow in the dark, and it glows super cool under black lights, which is what I love to do. So that is actually Glow brand, and it's folk art glow, and I found this at Walmart too, so I think you can find it anywhere that you buy acrylic paints or paint. Michael's, Hobby Lobby, I'm sure has it. I've never been to a Hobby Lobby. I'm jealous of people who live near them because they seem really interesting. Anyway, Walmart, glow paint. You can get all sorts of different colors of glow paint. There was pinks, there was yellows, there was greens, there was some oranges. That's that brand. But the purple I used, I actually went online, I went on eBay, and I did a search for glow-in-the-dark paint, and I found Neon Nights, sorry, not lights, Neon Nights glow paint. It says phosphorescent, and that is the purple color I'm using, and also the blue. They come in these little 20 milliliter bottles. I got a whole set of them. They're pretty cool if you like acrylic paints. Honestly, I think after doing this piece in particular, I almost quit halfway through it. Also, sorry for the wiggliness. There's definitely some wiggliness. I actually moved. So I started this painting, and I hated it, and I almost threw it away, but I didn't, and I'm glad I didn't, because I already had all of this footage. This is like 6 hours of recorded footage. I hated it. I don't like doing acrylic paintings, at least not the kind of acrylic paintings where you're filling in lines. Like, I basically did this like a coloring book. I went and I made the outline, and then I went through and I colored it in with the paint, and it was horrible. To get a consistent glowing effect that you can see, which honestly it's not even covered that well, to get a consistent glowing effect, I had to sit there and drop paint into almost every single white spot as a drop of paint, and then kind of blended it around, or else it was all streaky and didn't look very good when you put a black light on it. So I probably won't do a whole lot with acrylic paint, at least not in this style. I am much more of an ink person or an oil pastel person. I enjoy my UV inks. Anyway, that was my painting. That's how you do it. Please like and subscribe for more info. Send me a comment. Did you like it? Did you hate it? I want to know. Thank you very much, and have a fantastic day.